Are you struggling to engage your customers efficiently and deliver personalized experience at scale? In today's competitive landscape, marketing automation and customers engagements are key to building strong relationship and driving conversions, right? Now welcome to MoEngage, the ultimate platform for creating seamless data-driven customer journey. And in this steps by step guide, we will walk you through how to use MoEngage to automate marketing workflows, engage customers, and analyze performance, all from one intuitive dashboard. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up MoEngage, create automated campaigns, segments, audience, and measure success. Right. So before we get started, let's break down what's MoEngage standout. So according to their website, MoEngage is an comprehensive customer engagement platform. You can do a lot of things. I have made a list of it. The first one is you can automate campaigns, you can segment audience, you can analyze performance, you can predict user behavior. And these are the key highlights which I really like. They have a cloud base, it integrates seamlessly with Salesforce, Shopify, Google Analytics, and the best thing that is real-time analytics for actionable decision making, right? And to get started with MoEngage, you have to visit this our website, which is called moengage.com, and request a demo. So before going to the demo, I want to talk about the pricing and everything. So for the pricing, obviously you have to click on request a demo on the top right side corner. Then here you have to enter the first name, last name, work email, and company and everything. And then I agree to MoEngage and click on request demo. So what will happen? You will get a call. You can schedule the call at 30-40 minutes call with a live walkthrough of the platform, key features. Then they will specify each and everything. They will understand what's your key industry and how you are thinking that MoEngage can help you and how MoEngage will currently help you. And there's a no sales speech, obviously. That is what they promise here, just to chat about your business challenges and solutions. And in the end, they will help you to know that whether do you really need MoEngage and MoEngage can help you or not, right? So once you have the system, you can tailor the interface to fit your workflow by adding widgets like campaign summaries, audience segments, or performance charts. You can connect MoEngage to your CRM, for example, Zoho, Salesforce, an e-commerce platform like Shopify or other tools you use. So you can map filter ensure data flow accurately into MoEngage, right? You can set permissions, obviously. You can ask your team to, you can give permissions, specific permission to your teams, right? And the another thing which I really like, the setup process is intuitive even for beginners. So ensure you're ready to hit the ground running. And one of the more engaged standout feature is the ability to segment audience very effectively. Now, what I mean by this, so you can use filters to group user based on criteria like behaviors, user who abandon carts, demographics, locations, and preference, users who prefer discounts, and say frequently use segments for easy access in future campaigns. You can update segments dynamically as user behavior changes, use MoEngage AI-powered predictive models to identify user likely to churn or make a purchase, right? And segmentation ensures your message resonates with the right audience at the right time. Now that you have segmented your audience, let's create automated campaigns, which you can do this. You can choose a channel, for example, email, sales, push notification, or in-app messages based on your audience preferences. Use pre-built templates. You can set the triggers. You can do the ABN testing, right? And you can personalize campaigns, not only boost engagement, but also drive higher conversion rates, which that is what I really like. And here they have a different solution for some of this industry. For example, this is for financial, travel, hospitality, food and beverages, retail and e-commerce, media, entertainment, right? And obviously the basic concept is same, because in the, for example, MoEngage provides powerful analytics tool to help you measure the impact of your campaigns and optimize strategies, open rates and CTRs, conversion rates, right, retention rates, and you can use this insights to identify what's working and what's not working. And there you have it, a complete guide. I hope you now know what is MoEngage and how you can use it for your industry, or whether you need it or not. So thanks for watching this video and subscribe.